Hazrat Abdullah bin Abbas radiyallahu anhu states that Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu proceeded towards Syria until he reached Sargh, where the residents of Ajnad, Hazrat Abu Ubaidah bin Jarrah, and his companions met him and told him that an epidemic had broken out in Syria. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said that Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, "Summon the earliest emigrants to me." So I sent for them. He radiyallahu anhu consulted them and notified them that there was an outbreak of epidemic in Syria. So there occurred a conflict among them. Some said, "You have come out for a task, so it is not appropriate to return without its completion." Whereas the other group held the opinion, "You are accompanied by some other people and the companions of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam as well. So we think it inappropriate that you may take them in area hit by an epidemic." Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, "Okay, you may go now." He then said, "Get me the helpers." I summoned the helpers and he then consulted them, and they treat the same course adopted by the emigrants and gave opposing views. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, "Okay, now you can leave." He then said, "Call those elderly Quraysh who were emigrants at the time of the conquest of Makkah Mukarramah. They were summoned, and not even two of them disagreed with each other, and all of them said, 'As per our view, you should go back with the people and do not take them to the epidemic stricken area.' At last, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu made it public that he would mount to return in the morning. So other people also mounted. Hazrat Abu Ubaidah bin Jarrah radiyallahu anhu said, "Are you escaping from the fate destined by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu?" Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, "Would that somebody else you had said so." And Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu did not like to oppose him. "Yes, we are going from one fate predetermined by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to the other fate destined by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Tell me, if you have camels and you enter a valley having two pastures, one of them lush green and the other barren. Now, if you graze your camels in lush green pasture, that is fat preordained by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. And if you graze them in the barren pasture, it is also the fat rich by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu." Meanwhile, Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf radiyallahu anhu came, who was out then on account of any need. He said, "I know about it. I have heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say, 'When you hear of epidemic in any area, don't go there. But if an epidemic surges out there where you live, do not leave that area, escaping it.'" Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu whereupon thanked Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and went back. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5745.